with First Alert Weather. I'm First Alert meteorologist Alyssa Heilman, and we've got to get a check of our next first alerts that are coming up really over the next 24 hours. Overnight tonight, we will see rain and thunderstorms move in fact, we've already seen some very light rain moving into Michiana right now. And then tomorrow morning, more showers, more thunderstorms, and actually a possibility of some small hail as well for those morning commute hours, a little bit into the late afternoon as well. And then Wednesday evening, that's when we've got that chance for strong to severe storms throughout Michiana. We're going to time all that coming up in First Alert Weather, but we got to get a check of the Storm Prediction Center's newest severe risk. This changed since yesterday, and we're seeing that they have an area far to our south that is going to see the greatest threats they suspect from those severe storms on Wednesday. So that's portions of southern Indiana, Illinois, Missouri, Mississippi, Arkansas, Tennessee, Kentucky. Again, that area that's shaded in red could possibly see widespread severe weather. That's not the case for us in Michiana. We're still in the yellow, which has been consistent over the past couple SPC outlooks. We've stayed in the possibility for several severe storms. And again, that's the case for all of Michiana there. Timing everything out with Future Track. Again, seeing some of those light rain showers so far in Michiana, a lot of cloud cover as well. And then as we go into those morning commute hours, you are seeing the showers and the thunderstorms moving into Michiana, pretty widespread expected for those morning hours. And the longer that we see the rain and the clouds, the better for those later storms. It'll take energy away from the storms. And if we don't see sunshine, not going to add the fuel that could possibly bring some stronger storms to the evening storms. Now going throughout the afternoon, again, seeing mostly cloud cover, which is good news, not seeing a lot of sunshine, which we don't want to see, and then seeing those storms moving through as we get into the evening hours of Wednesday. That's that potential for severe weather again tomorrow evening in Wednesday's evening hours, and then mostly moving out as we get into those overnight hours of of Wednesday into Thursday morning. Severe weather threats that we have here, well, of course, this is again Wednesday, 5 to 11 p.m. is that time frame we're looking at, and the wind continues to be the greatest concern with this severe weather possibility on Wednesday, but we cannot rule out an isolated tornado as well as some possible large hail and flooding concerns that could come along with this because of those two separate rounds of rain that we could see tomorrow. And then getting a check of those winds, which again we said are the major concern for the day tomorrow. As we go overnight tonight, we start to see those winds ramp up for those morning showers there around 40 to 50 to maybe even 60 miles per hour in some isolated areas. Die down in the afternoon hours around 30 miles per hour, so still strong before back up for those evening hours where we're expecting those severe possible thunderstorms to move through back around 60 miles per hour. Natasha?